Today I'm going to show you how you can make $5 per hour drawing some lines, you guys. And we're gonna start right now. What's up everyone, this is Refaat Abohassan. This channel is all about online entrepreneurship, how to make money online and generating passive income. So if this is the first time for you on my channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button because I come up with videos like this every single week that teach you how to make money online, you guys. Okay, this method is by far the easiest I have ever seen to make money online, you guys. Basically, anyone can do this and it takes no time and it all involves drawing some lines. All what you need to do, you guys, is make some changes on some photos to make it marketable and can be used in different platforms. This is called image digital enhancing. But for this video, what are we going to talk about is removing backgrounds from some images, you guys. Look, people need backgrounds of their images removed for various reasons, you guys. Almost every single e-commerce business need background removal for their images of their products that they're selling, and they don't want to hire someone and pay them monthly salary to do these types of jobs. So what they do is they search for people like you and me to do this type of job for them. And guess what? There is a way where you can make at least $5 per hour doing this type of work in less than 1 minute, you guys. And because these people would think that this type of work will take time and need experience to do image editing kind of job, they are willing to pay you $5 or even more, you guys. Sure, there are plenty of softwares like Photoshop or similar that can do this type of job, you guys, but they are so expensive and require knowledge and experience of image editing. Moreover, it will take hours to do the job, you guys. But for you, you can do this job by just dragging some images and clicking a couple of buttons and finish within seconds, you guys. And I will share with you in this video the tool that you can use, how to use it, and how you can make money with it step by step, you guys. So let's jump into my computer and I will show you all about it. The tool that we're gonna use to remove the background of our pictures is called Clipping Magic. And I'm gonna show you how actually you can do that in seconds, you guys. Just literally seconds. So I'm gonna use one of the images that I used as a thumbnail in my previous video on how to make money with print-on-demand t-shirts. By the way, if you are interested, you can check that video when you press on the link that will appear on the screen right now. So from here, you have an option to drag the image if you have, or to upload your image. So I'm gonna just upload my picture. So just gonna click that. So what it's gonna do is gonna upload the picture that we have here. Okay, so this is the picture that I used in my thumbnail. As you can see here, you have few options that will allow you to do the background removal within seconds, you guys. If you press on this green button with the plus, this will allow us to draw our lines that we talked about. So just gonna highlight all the area that you need to be cut, you guys. So just put a few lines like this. And then we're gonna select this minus red circle. And what will that do? It will remove the background that we don't need. So we're just gonna do that. And watch this. It starts removing everything around my picture. And yeah, almost we're done. So just gonna, there's an area here that we need also to take. So boom, look at the difference here. Of course, there are few things that you need to fix. It didn't pick up my finger here, and the lines of my forehead is not is blurry a little bit. So what we can do is we can go closer by zooming the picture like this. And if we go to the area that we need to fix, there is this option that we can use. So this option will allow us to add this area that the program didn't pick. So I'm just gonna put some dots like this and watch what happens. Boom, it starts picking it up. And the same thing here. Well, I think we're done. So just gonna zoom that. Yeah, looks fine here and it's fine there. So I'm just gonna zoom out and check if there is another, yeah, there is my finger here. So I'm just gonna zoom in and also use the same option. We're done. You see, guys, it just took less than a minute and probably 40 seconds, 50 seconds, something like that, and it's totally fixed. And I'm just gonna tell you another thing that's gonna surprise you. You can actually choose the auto clipping here, you guys, which will save you 90% of that 40 seconds that we use, you guys. Isn't it amazing? I'm just gonna repeat everything from the beginning. So I'm just gonna go back. I'm just gonna check auto clipping here first. Then I'm just gonna reset everything. I'm just gonna go back. Okay, so now I'm gonna upload the image again. And with that selected, look what will happen, you guys. Magic happens. It just auto-select everything precisely without me having to interfere in anything. So it's an amazing tool that you can use, you guys, to remove any picture that you want. Now I'm going to show you this auto feature one more time, you guys, but this time with a more sophisticated picture where we have multiple items on a wooden background. So it's loading here. A bunch of things on a wooden background, and wow, look at that. I don't think even I need to do any modification here. So, oh yeah, so you can see some shadow here sticking out of this laptop. So we're gonna work that out with this feature. It's called the sculpture actually, and there is an erase button here. So I'm just gonna work that out. Just gonna zoom that in one more time. Okay. So I'm gonna select this sculpture option. Just gonna do one more zoom just to make it so precise, because we need our work to be so professional, you guys, so people can trust us in the way that I'm gonna show you to do the job for them. So I'm gonna select the sculpture and just gonna draw, sorry, we're supposed to be here. So I'm gonna just use the sculpture here to correct the edges. Wow, I think it's done. It's just gonna zoom out. There's a little bit here. We're gonna work this out also. So I'm just gonna connect those dots. Okay, just connect that dot here. Okay, I think one more time. Yeah, just gonna do the same thing here. Refix it. Refix this. See, sometimes you get this issue. It just doesn't go straight. So we just can just do some minor modification here to have it fixed. Okay, I think. Okay. Okay, so we're done here. Okay, there is some things here also need to be removed, so we're just gonna also correct that. We can use this, we can use the red circle here to adjust the correction. Okay, so it fixed it here. Same thing here. Yep. Okay, so I think we're done here. So as you can see, guys, it just produced a very high quality removed background picture. And as I told you guys, we need our production to be so professional, which what you really need. You need your output work to be so professional so people can trust the work that you submit to them. In addition, the timing that you will be able to do the work for them will allow you to charge more on shorter time, you guys. So after you finished your work, you will need to subscribe to download, you guys. This tool is not free. It's gonna cost you $4 per month as a light subscription, which will give you 15 credits per month, meaning that you can have 15 pictures to edit per month. And I know you guys, some of you may say, oh, I don't want to pay money to do this type of things. Look, you guys, you are paying less than what you will charge per photo, you guys. because you will end up making at least $5 per photo. So given that you have 15 credits per month, which is 15 photo, if you multiply 15 by 5, that's $75, you guys, minimum that you can do out of that plan that you can take. Also, I want to mention that they have a full tutorial here that you can see about the different features, the basics. You can see the video here of the basically what I have shown you, the lines that you can draw and the background area where you can highlight with the red, as you can see here. Also, you have the scalpel option to fine adjust the lines, as you can see here. Also, they have an option to refine the edges and the hair removal. If you have a picture that has a person with hair sticking from the head. So you have full tutorials here that you can actually go in details and check. But it's most likely straightforward. It's more or less similar to what I've shown you. Again, feel free to go and check it all. It's all clear and you can get it right away. Now you guys, you know how to produce a professional background removed image. It's time now to look for customers to pay you for doing this job. So the website we're going to go to called Fiverr, which is a marketplace website for digital service of any kind, you guys. So you can do any type of photography, technical jobs, etc., etc., etc. And a service offered on Fiverr is called a gig. And here you can be a buyer or a seller, so you can be both. But for us, of course, we'll be selling our service and we're going to create a gig that buyers will pay us for. So as you can see here, people like you, they do many jobs or gigs like this person here. I will remove or change backgrounds. I will cut image background professionally. Some people will offer 100 photo with removed background. So as you can see here, each one of those gigs is starting the service at $5, but I've seen people charging up to $40, you guys. Look at, for example, this one. You can have a basic service standard, $15, or premium service for $40. And this person is doing something similar to what I've shown you here. It's a picture with many items on a background. Actually, we've worked on a much harder background because it was wooden background with many lines in between. This is even much easier, you guys. So this also proves that you can do it. It's so straightforward and you can charge, as this person did, up to $40 per job, you guys. And I'm just going to tell you a tip to work on Fiverr, you guys. You need to do a creative gig, you guys, because this is very important to make your gig stand out, to pull people's attention, and then they can ask you to do the job for them. So what I will do for you guys is I will leave a link in the description below for tips to stand out and sell your first gig on Fiverr. On top of that, I'm gonna give you the top 10 tips for new Fiverr sellers. These are really helpful tips, you guys, that you can have a look at to make your gig stand out on Fiverr, you guys, and then start making sales. You can also scale your profit, you guys, and take the standard subscription. That's the one on the middle, which is the recommended one for $7.99 per month. Just a disclaimer here, I don't have anything to do with Clipping Magic. I'm not affiliate to them or anything. It's just a tool that I used personally and find it very helpful, and I thought of sharing it with you here, you guys. This is just a disclaimer that I want to throw in to get this cleared up, okay? So for $7.99 a month, you can have 100 credits per month. So this will allow you to offer your service in many places other than Fiverr, guys. You can go to Upwork, for example, which is a similar website to Fiverr, where people can offer their service online. Also, you have big Facebook groups or Craigslist even. I think this is a better option if you're up to invest a little bit more into this and take it seriously. You're gonna get more in return to the light version, you guys. Remember that you can even charge more than $5, as I showed you in this gig, and increase your profit, maximize your profit. With this option, the minimum you can make if you charge for $5 is $500. 5 times 100 is $500. Imagine how much you can make with a better service if you charge $30, $40, or $50. Guys, this is really money on the table. There is lots of people have so many great skills and far more service that they can make money with, yet they are not doing anything. While with this technique I'm showing you, it's far more easier to make money. And the best of it, it's almost effortless and timeless, you guys. So you can take multiple orders a day and do them while you're smiling, you guys. So this is how you can do it, you guys. Use the clipping magic tool to work your images. Go to Fiverr and open an account if you don't have already. Check these steps that I mentioned to you to get some sales and start making money. And I'm really interested to hear from you. I would love if you share your experience with this technique, you guys, in the description below. Of course, this technique won't make you rich, you guys, but it still can help you to earn some cash that can pay some bills. Yes, this technique is easy, which is great, but you still need to do the work and take orders to make a profit, which is active income, you guys. But if you want to learn how you can make a serious amount of money in a passive way, you guys, all right? And this is what I'm doing, you guys. If you want to find a way to make a living through the internet and have an income flowing into your bank account while you're sleeping, then check my #1 recommendation to make a full-time income online in 2020. And this is what I'm doing, you guys, to make a real income from the internet. Now, don't get me wrong, you guys, it will still require work because there isn't something such as get rich quick. It doesn't exist, you guys. You always need to do something to get an income. So in this method that I will show you, you still need to do the work. But the result, you guys, that you will potentially get at the end is your financial freedom. So if you are seriously interested, you guys, to know about this method, then make sure to click on that link and I will show you the process right away. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you got a lot of value from this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up because it really helped the video and the channel to grow, and share the video with others so that they can have the same benefit as you did. This is Refaat Abohassan, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.